Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and welcome to the most requested video of my channel, which is my cups and mugs collection. So guys, I know I have a lot of crockery. I've shared it a lot of times and a lot of you guys keep sending me messages and comments that I should share my crockery collection, especially my mugs and cups collection. So today I'm here with the मोस्ट फेवरेट मग्स एंड कप्स दैट आई हैव इन माई कलेक्शन. सो मैं आपको दोनों कैटेगरीज दिखाऊंगी, the affordable daily use ones and also the little high end ones, but they're very stunning classy pieces, and I also share with you guys the best places and brands to buy your mugs from. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So let me talk about the first brand, my absolute favorite brand, which is Cath Kidston. So guys, Cath Kidston एक London based brand है. So the USP of their brand is that all their designs are inspired from vintage English prints, especially floral prints. I am a sucker for floral vintage prints. I can't tell you how much I love them. So this is the first mug that I have. So ये बड़ा अच्छा सा बड़ा सा broad सा mug है. It's perfect for having soups and for your cornflakes and muesli, or anything that you have, cereals for your breakfast basically, or soups. So you can also have your hot chocolate in these mugs. So this is the really pretty print white mug with beautiful floral print, and इसी के shape में I have another one which is a very pretty sky blue with red flowers, and it also says mum. So they have a lot of collection and lot of collection for mums especially. So a lot of their mugs have mum written on it. So these are the two individual shapes. Then another type of collection which is also from Cath Kidston are these mugs. These are big size mugs. You can have your cold coffee, you can have coffee, you can have your juices or milkshakes or your smoothies, anything in these mugs. This also has beautiful rose flower print, be mine always, it's what's written, and I have 6 of these. So the first ones that I showed you, I have 1 each of those. I have 6 of these. So these I will let you know where all I got from, where all are the stores of Cath Kidston. And then another print that I have in Cath Kidston is this one. This has beautiful popsicles all over, popsicles and softies all over one watermelon slice, and it's just too cute. So I love this, very colorful, very cute. Also a big size mug. And then I also have this one. This is also a big size mug. It is mint green with little flower patterns all over. And abhi thodi der mein I'll show you 2 more designs. Those are in my kitchen. I'll take you to my kitchen and I'll show you some more mugs there. So this is also the one. Now these ones, I will be honest with you guys, I generally pick them up on sale. So they are expensive. Like one mug will cost you 1,000, 1,200, 1,300 or even more, but on sale you generally get it for 600, 700, at times flat 900, 999 as well. So so it's just that if you're really fond of mugs, I know these are breakable, but I am very careful with my stuff. Trust me, I don't let my helpers wash them. I wash them whenever we use them. So same price for these ones, and pretty much same price for these ones as well. But these I remember getting on discount, so 600-700 का मुझे एक mug पड़ा था, which was not bad. Now Cath Kidston store, what I know are in Select City Walk, Delhi. There is one in Parel, Mumbai. You can also find Cath Kidston stuff on Myntra, and then we used to have one Cath Kidston store in Amiens Mall, Gurgaon, but that's shut, and I don't know where it is now. I think we have one store in Galleria Market, Gurgaon, but I'm not sure. I haven't seen it, but anyways, so these are the places where you can check Cath Kidston stuff from. Otherwise, check it from Myntra. Now moving on to my another very favorite place for buying mugs, which is the Wishing Chair. That's my absolute favorite brand for home decor, cutesy stuff. I have spoken about the Wishing Chair so many times on my channel. I have shown so much of stuff. I keep sharing a lot of information on my Instagram also. So please follow my Instagram page. I have 2 pages. One is on makeup, fashion, beauty, makeup. One is on home decor. So please follow both the pages. Links are in the description box. So now the first mug. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is from the Wishing Chair. It's a beautiful pink color with golden pattern on it. It's really cute. They also had one in grey, and they have really amazing collection of mugs. Limited collection, but really unique. You will not find them elsewhere. Very pretty collection. And then I also got these 2. These are like very rustic, very like raw, plain They had a lot of colors in these. I remember they had a pink, I think they had a yellow as well, and matching bowls. So I have a matching grey bowl with these grey mugs. I also got a yellow bowl so that the grey and the yellow complements really well. So this is one, just different colors of grey, and it's a very pretty, very unique shape. And this is the other one, also like a huge mug, perfect for hot chocolates. And you can also like see the shape. It looks very nice. It looks very pretty for Instagram pictures, food pictures. You just place a plant, some wooden details, and this color that it looks really, really nice. And of course you can use it to have your tea, coffee, or other beverages. Now I really don't remember the price, but I think it was for 700 or 800. This one was maybe 500-600, and this one was also something in the same range. So Wishing Chair store is in Shapur Jat in Delhi. We have one store in South Point Mall in Gurgaon. We have a store in Bangalore. We have their website. You can buy stuff from their website as well. I will try and mention all the websites in the description box so that you guys can check. Now moving on to my another very favorite place for mugs, like the really quirky, colorful mugs, is Chumbak. So I have one mug from Chumbak, and I'm now planning to collect more, but I don't think so I'll be doing that because I have no space to keep mugs and I have so many of them. But I love colors, guys. I just love colors. I love such patterns. So I got this really bright yellow mug from Chumbak. Now you can see Chumbak logo. They have really, really cute, colorful, quirky stuff. We all know if you've been to Chumbak store. So Chumbak can also be purchased online. Otherwise, it has lots and lots of stores all over India. You can just easily Google it. So this one is from Chumbak. Again, a very favorite place to buy mugs. Now moving on to another very favorite place and also very affordable. It's Home Center. So Home Center has a huge array of mugs and cups, crockery, kitchen appliances, and kitchen stuff, and you get every variety at every range. You get expensive ones, you get affordable ones, daily use, fancy, everything. So the first piece that I have is this another very pretty, again same white floral print. This is from Home Center, as I mentioned. I have 6 of these, and these I don't really remember the price, but they were not very expensive. I think I really don't remember, guys. I'll not give you wrong information, but they were not expensive. Like, they're much affordable than the Cath Kidston ones. So these are one that I have. Another very pretty mug. In fact, I have the entire breakfast collection is what I call of this entire this collection I have. This is also from Home Center. I have done a video of how I laid my breakfast table, and in that video I did a vlog, and I also shared this entire collection, which I call my breakfast collection, because the print and the design, it's very English and it's very breakfast oriented. So I have these mugs. I have 6 of them. It has a very pretty vintage print on it. I have small platters, big platters, I have bowls, I have lentil stand, I have jars. I have like almost everything from this particular collection, also from Home Center, and I really love to use these for my breakfasts, and absolutely love it. So this is a little expensive amongst all other collection from Home Center, but I also got it from at a discount, and it was not that expensive from on discount. So if I have to give you a rough idea, 6 of them costed me around 1200-1300 के range में पड़ गए थे after discount. So you can check that. Like, I remember price of one platter was 400 something. So if you buy on discount, you'll get it for 250-275. So like, that's the discount that you generally get. So this is from Home Center. I'll again take you to my kitchen, and I'll show you some more pieces that I got from Home Center, the affordable ones. Now let's move on to my another very favorite store for mugs and cups, which is the Decor Cart. I have again spoken a lot about this brand, and I've shown you guys a lot of stuff that I have at my home. So they have beautiful crockery, like beautiful crockery, vintage, blue pottery and whatnot, beautiful crockery. So I got these 2 mugs from the Decor Cart. So one says Mrs. in pink with marble print and a golden line, and the other one says Mr. Grey with the same pattern. So this is for me and my husband. But I have seen these mugs now available on Club Factory, even Amazon, Shein. So you can buy them from the websites as well, and they will cost you like, okay, decent. I got these for 700 each, I think 700, 799, something like that. So I really wanted to have something which is very exclusive to both of us, and we can just have a tea, coffee, although we don't really do that often. time constraint. So yeah, anyhow, that is another very favorite store, and I have some more mugs from the decor card. Let me quickly show you guys. So guys, I have two more mugs. Beautiful. This has lips all over. It says wake up and makeup. This is something which I always wanted. I always used to see it on Pinterest and Instagram, and these are so cute. And the other one is this. It's also pink color, says Zozo, XOXOXOXO. So yeah, so these are the two, and I've used this in my beauty room to place my brushes and other stuff, and I just love them. They go so well with the theme of my beauty room, which is all pink and white. If you guys haven't checked my home decor videos, different tour videos of my home, then please check it on my channel under home and lifestyle playlist. I have done all the home tour, like all the room tours of my home, and shared a lot of home decor videos, so do check them out on my channel. Now moving on to some local crockery shops. Now if you are in Gurgaon, then you can go to Arjun Market in DLF phase 1. There are a few crockery shops. You get amazing crockery there. And I have one more piece which I got from the decor cart, same place where I got these mugs from. Let me show you. It's a cup and saucer. Beautiful, again vintage. I'm a sucker for vintage stuff. So it has this really pretty plate and very stylish looking mug, and it's very pretty, very stylish. I have two of these, but you can also get tons and tons of amazing crockery from Tip Top Market in Karol Bagh. I did go there. I bought some snacks, platters in sets, and some dinner sets from Karol Bagh Tip Top Market, which I'll show you in future. But mugs, I didn't get any mugs from Tip Top Market. I already had the collection with me. But yeah, I did get some crockery from Tip Top Market. So you will find this vintage crockery as well there. You'll find a lot of stuff. So that's a great place. Then I also have these mugs. I don't remember where I got these from. I think I got these from a local crockery shop, same Arjun Market DLF phase 1 crockery shop. I think that shop is called Bombay Collection, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember, but that's the biggest famous shop in DLF phase 1 Arjun Market. That's a very nice shop for good collection of crockery. So again, you know, the vintage love. So so these are for now my different places of mugs. And now let me take you guys to my kitchen and show you some more affordable mugs and daily use mugs. So chalo, let's go. Okay guys, so we're in the kitchen now. I have some more mugs. Now these ones are the smallest size, again from Cath Kidston, and these are all microwave and dishwasher safe. So these are something which I use more regularly, and those bigger ones I use occasionally. And then I have another one in pink. Beautiful colors. I love the colors. They're very soothing, very you know, very pretty, very pretty. The prints are so pretty. You guys can see how pretty they look. Also from Cath Kidston. And so these are the ones that I use more regularly. So I've just placed it in my kitchen like this, just made a little arrangement. Okay, sorry, the phone is buzzing. And I have 3 of these green ones and 2 of those pink ones. Now let me show you guys some more affordable mugs. Now you guys can see these simple plain yellow mugs and the similar ones there up there in green. These are from Home Center. So these are my like daily chai ke mugs, daily use mugs. They're very affordable. I have lots of them. I think I have 6 of yellow and 6 of green, like that. Very affordable. And then just random mugs from random places. This is from Home Center. Okay, and this is also like a simple printed mug. And those ones that you can see behind are all from local stores from here and there, random places. This is very cute. This is a milk mug for my son. So cute with a lid. This one is from Miniso, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this one is from Miniso. Even Miniso is a great place to buy these cutesy mugs from. You will have a lot of variety of mugs from Miniso. Now coming on to this side of my cabinet, I have more mugs. Like you can see the love that I have for crockery, guys. Some of you might think it's a waste, but for me it's not a waste. I use all of them, and I love to have different things for different occasions. So I have that tea set in this print and design. That's also from Home Center. So it's like proper kettle and cups and saucers and a teapot, milk pot. So yeah, this is just a simple design. Then this particular one right here in the corner, let me just pull it out and show you this one. It's very special to me because this was gifted to me by my mom. This was her tea set which she got for her wedding. She kept it safe and she gifted it to me at my wedding. And I love this. It's very classy. It's very like evergreen. This is also complete set. It's a complete tea set. So if you don't want to have the regular tea, you can go in for your tea sets. Then this one is from a local shop in Gurgaon. So I got this from there. I just love the color, very Chinese. Then this one is a green tea set. So I got this from Dharamshala, McLeodganj, and this is just little tiny glasses. I don't know what you actually call them. These are basically to have green tea and ginger tea, and it also has a tiny little kettle. That side you can see, that's the kettle. Then I have this set. This also I got from, I think, McLeodganj only. So these are also green tea sets. So like when we have a lot of friends, more than 6 people, then you need more pieces. So I got 2 of these. So we serve in both of them. So that's one, and that also has a kettle, which is here. I'm sorry guys, I'm not pulling out everything because I've just arranged everything. I have to like rearrange everything. So please excuse me, and I'm sorry that I'm not able to pull out and show you everything. But yeah, this is the kettle, and that's the kettle for the previous one. And then I have just this simple cup and saucer. ये मैंने अपनी शादी के time लिया था for my शादी collection. So this is like white with silver design on it, and it also has saucers. तो ये तो मुझे याद भी नहीं कितने का था because बहुत time हो गया अब. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the collection, and let me know which was your favorite collection and favorite mug or mugs. And if you also are a mug lover or a crockery lover like me, let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very soon with my next video. I upload videos every Thursdays. If you're not getting notifications for any reason, then that's YouTube's thing. But then don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are at least notified if YouTube has to send you the notification. So hit the bell icon. Do subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't, and I'll see you soon with my next video next Thursday. And I also upload videos sometimes on weekends if possible. Otherwise, Thursday is the video day. So I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take very good care and love you all. Bye bye.